Every minute, 17 tons of plastic waste are dumped into the oceans, totaling between 10 and 12 million tons of plastic waste each year. Welcome aboard the Manta, a giant of the seas, a unique solution designed to defend the ocean against plastic pollution and to provide a comprehensive answer through prevention and corrective action. Like the manta ray, which feeds by filtering seawater, the manta propels itself by swallowing floating plastic waste as small as 10 millimeters, which is then transformed into energy. The manta is capable of collecting up to 3 tons of waste per hour. 3 floatable collection systems trap plastics to a depth of 1 meter, mainly in coastal waters. The Mobulars, 2 multi-service boats on board, will collect waste in shallow or narrow areas. Versatile, they collect micro-waste and hydrocarbons in rough coastal waters and rivers with strong currents, and also in calm and protected waters. Each Mobular can collect and store up to 10 cubic meters of waste. The macro waste floating on the surface of the water is drawn into the Manta by collection carousels located between the hulls. The waste then travels to the onboard waste management plant, located at the heart of the vessel, to be transformed. The waste is first sent to a sorting unit where operators separate it manually according to its nature. Metal, glass and aluminium wastes are stored to be brought back to land to be recycled through local waste management streams. Organic materials are returned to the water. The plastic waste is shredded and transformed into pellets before being sent to the waste-to-energy conversion unit. The real masterpiece of the onboard plant is the waste-to-energy conversion unit that melts the plastic pellets at high temperature through pyrolysis and transforms them into synthetic gas. The syngas then passes through a turbine which produces electricity. That electricity in turn will power all of the Manta's equipment: its onboard plant, cockpit, batteries and propulsion units. During the conversion process, heat emissions and waste gases are recovered, supporting the Manta's principles for an eco-friendly solution. The Manta is capable of collecting 5 to 10,000 metric tons per year and processing 100% of the waste collected on board. The Manta is powered by renewable energy sources, equipped with hybrid propulsion and automatic rigs. It is an ambassador of clean navigation technologies with a minimal environmental footprint, targeting an average of 75% energy autonomy. Additionally, the Manta is a state-of-the-art science lab on plastic pollution. Scientific missions will be hosted on board, and awareness and prevention platforms will be open to the general public during the boat's stopovers. Combining high technology and eco-consciousness, the Manta will travel to the world's major estuaries and river mouths where floating plastic waste is known to be concentrated. It is urgent to take action now. The Manta will make it possible.